Today, we're going to look at how to set up voicemail to email for a user. First, select User Setup underneath the User part of the portal. Tick the name of the user that you want to add the feature for and double-click next to their name. This will open up the portal below. First of all, select the Modify button and ensure you have typed the user's email address into the email field here. Then scroll down and select Feature. First of all, you need to make sure that voicemail is set to use, so that user has voicemail set up, and enter the password which you can get from your system administrator into the password field. Then email notification. You have two options. You have text only and attached voice file. Text only will just send the user an email to say this telephone number has called you and left a message on this date and at this time, whereas attached voice file will give you all the details of the message as well as attaching an audio file so you can listen to the recording on any device. Next, you can select skip or don't skip the date and time. Select skip as you don't need the date and time to play at the start of the message, as you will have that information in the body of the email. Finally, always ensure that encryption is set to use.